Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to join Brainrot on Roblox. So guys, go to roblox.com official website and search for Brainrot. Click the first result. After that, wait a few seconds. Make sure the server, click this one and scroll down. You'll find till the end the community on Discord. This one, click this one. After that, you were directed to Discord, guys. The official this is official website or Discord. Click accept and then wait. You should be complete verification steps, guys, to unlock all the features of this Discord server, guys. From here, verification, you should be updated. Click updated my roles and then click verify. You should be verify your account or link my account here, and then you will be login successfully, join it successfully this Discord. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment.